Hello, boys. Now, today I am going to talk about discovering of Harappan civilization. Boys, you see here that how Harappan civilization was discovered. So far, you saw how historians, archaeologists, they examined uh, the remains of materials, artifacts, and piecing together part of the fascinating history. How they how did they do it? And this is a second phase. How did they find? How they examined, evaluated the archaeological finds, and how did they reach at conclusion. This is the second phase. And how was it discovered? There is an interesting story, and you will be surprised to know it. How that happened. Actually, boys, uh, later what happened? The people living in these areas, millennium later, people living in these areas, they completely forgot about this civilization, all about them, everything about them, all about them. Then what happened when uh, the artifacts of this civilization surfaced occasionally, uh, when the people they were plowing the fields, and floods washed the areas, and some people uh, in hoping to find the treasures, they started digging, and it was exposed to soil erosion. Due to these reasons, the different materials, artifacts, and other things surfaced, came into being. But people at that time, they did not know what to make of these artifacts. Then, in the mid of 19th century, this department was set up, Archaeological Survey of India, and Alexander Cunningham, he became the first Director General of ASI, Archaeological Survey of India, and under his guidance, leadership, the work of excavation took place. In this way, first of all, this attracted the attention of historians and archaeologists about the new civilization. Okay, boys. In this way, historians came to know. But in the beginning, you leave the common people. Even the historians and archaeologists did not understand it, and you will come to know what a picture would have been. Why did that happen? When you read the next topic, that is Cunningham's confusion, then you will realize how, in what way, even historians, they came to know properly, perfectly about this site, and it was a new discovery. How did that happen? See here under the topic Cunningham's confusion. So now see, Cunningham, when he became Director General of ASI, then what happened? In those days, boys, the historians and archaeologists, they preferred written words to reconstruct the history, because according to them, this was more authentic source to know the history and to reconstruct the history. That's why most of the historians they preferred written words, and for that they go through inscriptions and texts. They took the support of inscriptions and text. Cunningham he firmly believed that Indian history began with the emergence of cities in Ganga Valley, and period was 6th century BCE to 6th century CE. So he was interested in this period, and 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 later, and and he took interest in studying the accounts left by the Buddhist Chinese pilgrims who visited India during 4th and 7th centuries. He translated, documented, and even published. But you know, boys, uh, what was the problem? She was why was he confused? Because he firmly believed in a history began with that, and he was interested in that particular period, 6th century BCE to 6th century CE. And you know what the itinerary means, ancient documents, historic documents left by the Buddhist pilgrims, they did not mention about in the Harappan sites. And it was not known to Indian people, not known to anyone, that Harappa existed and there was a well-developed city. Harappa was the earliest, it was not known as the earliest city of India. And when excavation took place and many Harappan artifacts were found fairly, means at large scale, some of these reached Cunningham. He understood that it had a cultural value, but he did not realize how old these were. Even later on, a seal was given to him by an Englishman, and he tried to unsuccessfully he tried to place it within time frame with which he was familiar, means from 6th century BCE to 6th century CE. And because like others, even the Indians, they thought that Indian history began with the emergence of cities. You know, history means when the cities came up, and since then the period of history begins. Before that period, prior to this period is known as a prehistory. So they firmly believed it. That's why he didn't understand, Cunningham could not understand, and he did not understand the significance of Harappan civilization. This was his confusion. Okay, boys, thank you. In next class, we will discuss about new civilization and Deadman Lane, and I would reveal the point of view of the Europeans, scholars, and also some Indian historians, how uh, they interpreted the history in a wrong way. Okay, thank you.